With me, we're getting in more news break coming in. After the Home Minister, you have Sanjay Raut, who's now reacted. News coming in. Sena MP Sanjay Raut has now threatened Kangana Ranaut again. He has said Mumbai belongs to forefathers of Marathi Manus. Raut says Sena won't stop till Maharashtra enemies are eliminated. Is this a threat? Is this that Shiv Sena won't let Kangana enter Maharashtra? We're going to try and get a larger understanding from Sahil Joshi. Sahil, till yesterday, it was Sanjay Raut's stand was, you come to Bombay and you talk to the Mumbai police if you don't feel safe. He's now taking a more aggressive tone where he says that, Mumbai is for Marathi Manus, the forefathers, it belongs to them, and that Kangana Ranaut is not welcome there. What does he mean? Is the Sena going to now up their stand on this, up the ante on this, where he also goes on to say that Sena won't stop till Maharashtra's enemies are eliminated? Are they not going to let her enter?
Well, the tweet you are mentioning definitely does not mention Kangana at all. But yes, of course, it is directed at Kangana Ranaut. The recent statement now she has made on the social media that on 9th of September she'll be coming to Mumbai and she will declare the time as well. Whoever has guts can try to stop her. So basically it looks like that it's all-out war between right now on the social media. But if you ask me if Shiv Sena will do anything against that, it is unlikely at this point of time. I do not think that Shiv Sena will do any kind of a protest, because there is a strong section in Shiv Sena who feels that unnecessary undue attention should not be given to Kangana Ranaut, and the issue will die down on its own. What they say on record, Sanjay Raut himself has said it, that all this is being done to get the publicity, and that's why she should be ignored. But at the same time, all of them are making statements at this point of time, and that's why this issue has remained hot. Now, we'll have to wait and see what happens on 9th of September, because she has promised that she will be declaring time as well. Of course, I expect that the whole media will be there at the airport. I don't know whether right now I will not be able to say anything about whether Shiv Sena will be there or not, but it looks like that there will not be any protest at this point of time. That's what I can feel.
All right, so Shiv Sena, at least till now, is going to keep out of it, is what we are getting to know. Sahil, appreciate you joining us. But hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.